Giggles and grapes. Let's learn about some basic 2D shapes today. Can you name the shape? Square. A square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. A square has equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides. Can you name the shape? Circle. A circle has no corners. A circle has no sides. Can you name the shape? Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. A rectangle has equal opposite sides. 1, 2. 2 equal opposite sides. Can you name the shape? Triangle. A triangle has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. A triangle has 3 sides. They can be equal or unequal. A triangle with equal sides is called as equilateral triangle. A triangle with only 2 sides equal is called as isosceles triangle. And a triangle with no sides equal is called as scalene triangle. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.